What's up, guys? Welcome to another video with your buddy the Roller Coaster Crafter. And today, this is day 5 of the construction of Superman the Ride from Six Flags New England. And so far, we are 2/3 of the way done, heck, 3/4 of the way done. And all we have to do, we have to finish this helix and of course the second tunnel that will probably end up over in that section. And then the airtime hills. So I'm probably gonna get done by today. And then that'll lead us to filming the final video with music and everything. And it is going to look awesome. So y'all can sit back and enjoy. I'm gonna throw on some music. Now let's get to work.